Okay, here's a short video that's going to show you how to position yourself to create wealth. My name is Francis Fernando and I'm the creator of Job plus Real Estate equals Wealth. This trademarked system will show you how to invest in apartment buildings, create cash flow while keeping your job. So the wealthy have had three things that they've always known are the accelerators and the path towards wealth. The first is they all knew they needed an accelerator, a wealth accelerator. That's a building, that's the sale of a business, that's something that's propelled them into the world of wealth. The second is they all knew they had to have a crystal clear plan, mission, vision to attain that wealth. And finally, they knew it was only them that could create wealth for themselves. Again, in this short video, I'm going to show you, number one, why I know real estate is a great wealth accelerator. On videos 2 and 3 that'll be available on my YouTube channel shortly, I will show you how to use the engineer's process wheel to develop that quartz crystal clear strategy. And finally, I will give you grassroots skills on how to create wealth. So the first is cash flow. This is one of the time-tested reasons why real estate is phenomenal. Cash flow is essentially the flow of cash from the operations or rents coming in through the operations of the building, that is expenses paid. So rents come in, expenses go out to run the building. That net cash flow is what goes into your pocket. Folks, that is free and clear cash flow. The second is leverage. Leverage, the definition of leverage is the mechanical advantage to move an object that you normally couldn't with the use of a lever. Well, in our case, the lever is the bank. The bank enables you to purchase a cash flowing building with very little of your own money and a lot of the bank's money. That's leverage. You get to participate in that appreciation and in that cash flow. Finally, tax benefits. There's two deductions that the IRS allows real estate investors to take advantage of. The first is depreciation. You can depreciate a building over 27 and a half years. That depreciated amount is then deducted off your taxable income. The second is your deduction against your mortgage interest. Every month that you pay your mortgage, there's an interest portion of that. That is deductible. I want to change gears and I want you to picture this. You've committed to yourself and you've made that first critical step. And that step is you've decided to secure a life of comfort for yourself and for your family, and more importantly, for your legacy. And you've done this by agreeing to invest and create a stream of cash flow using real estate. I use the word legacy because real estate is one of those assets that can give and continue to give. It's also an asset that can be passed down from generation to generation, all the while creating cash flow and appreciating in value. And the best part is that you and your family and your legacy participate in that cash flow and capital appreciation. By following a few simple steps of the Job plus Real Estate equals Wealth plan, you've not only secured your first cash flowing building, but you've also surrounded yourself with what I call your success team. That is your real estate agent, your property manager, your banker, and your insurance agent. And they are scouring for properties that make sense and cash flow for you. Folks, I'd like you to take these 3 steps. Let's live through our commitments. The first is good old-fashioned values. Read the Job plus Real Estate equals Wealth book. It's a quick weekend read. I have a discount code right there on the screen. It's a 30% reduction in price. That reduction in price is good through Friday, April 11th. The second thing I'd like you to do is enroll in the Job plus Real Estate equals Wealth program. It's 3 hours of video content that will foster your development in the world of real estate. And finally, I will make myself available on Friday 11th from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern live on Facebook to answer any questions as it pertains to wealth creation using real estate. Good luck.